Hello, I'm Michael Finn, Holistic Exercise and Lifestyle Coach, and today is going to be the top 2 things that you need to do to improve your health in 2024. So, it's the beginning of the year, and I don't know how many times I get this question. I get it every year, which is great. And the big key is we just need to follow through. So, and at the end of this, I'm going to give you a bonus third. So I'll give you a bonus 1 on top of it. Stay tuned to the end, you'll get the bonus 1. So, first thing, number 1, everybody always asks me about nutrition. What can I do with my nutrition? What should I be eating to lose a couple of pounds, feel better, be more fit, be more athletic, help my heart, help my lungs, help my brain, all that kind of stuff. So, and this is fairly simple concept, but you're going to have to make some change to do it. And I will tell you, I don't care what diet book or anything else that you pick up, they're all going to agree. I don't care if you go carnivore or vegan or vegetarian or zone or Whole30 or South Beach or whatever is the popular one this year. Doesn't matter. They will all tell you the exact same thing. And that is reduce and better yet, eliminate processed food. Okay? All this stuff that mankind has taken and created over the last 100 to 150 years is not something that we should be ingesting. We ingested whole food that came from Mother Nature. Meats and organ meats and fruits and the fruity parts of vegetables and honey and raw dairy. Things that came right from the earth without us processing it or refining it or all this other kind of stuff. Because whenever we take something and we make a change to it, something is lost in the process. A lot of times it's the water. People don't realize how important that water is in that food. That water has been balanced by the animal or the plant that it's coming from. And we want to bring that water into us. If we get things from healthy animals and healthy plants, that health is going to come into us, and that life force energy is going to come into us and build us and make us healthier. So you don't want something that could sit on the shelf for years and years and years and years. That's not going to build your body. That's just going to make your body hungry. You're going to eat that and your body's going to go, okay, well, have more because that's not doing nothing for me. Keep eating, keep eating. That's why you go through an entire bag of potato chips or an entire bag of cookies or anything like that. It's because it's not providing the life force energy and the vitamins and the minerals and the vitality that your body really wants and really craves. So eat whole foods. It's in every single diet book out there. It's that simple. Everybody agrees. You don't have to worry about conflict. Everybody agrees. Stay away from processed food. Eat whole, real food. All right? It's in my ebook online at finfit.com. You can download that. It talks all about it and how you can make the changes. And it even talks about how I made the changes myself long, long ago. All right. That's number 1. Okay? Most important. So, number 2. Make sure to eat protein. Okay? Especially for those of us, I have an overeating disorder. If I eat the wrong things, I want to eat more, and I want to eat more, and I want to eat more. My system got a little broken as a kid, and as a teenager, and even in my early 20s, and I've had to fix it. Protein satisfies your body. Every cell in your body is made from protein, fat, and water. And we have cells that die all the time. So we lose a layer of skin. Every 3 days, we need to replace a layer of skin. Okay, you got about 7 or so layers of skin on your body, depending upon how healthy you really are. There should be a good 7 there or so. But you'll lose a layer every single 3 days. So you've got to replenish your body with really great high quality foods and proteins and fats and water, so that you can rebuild those cells and have strong skin and strong heart and strong liver and strong eyes and ears and muscles and bones and everything else. Ligaments, tendons, cartilage, the whole works. All made from protein, fat, and water. So we have to make sure we're eating high quality proteins on a regular basis. from really great sources. Grass-fed beef, range-free chickens and eggs, and wild-caught seafood and things like that. Things that naturally are raised the way, once again, Mother Nature intended them to be raised. Not the way that mankind can get them to farm or get them to the store quicker or fatter or anything else. If you eat a really fat cow, guess what? You're going to be that way too. You want to eat a good healthy animal when you're having your proteins. Okay? So that's number 2. Get your protein in. It will satisfy you. Okay? In your head, you might still be going, oh, I want to eat more. But in all reality, when you stop and really think about it, you go, well, you know, I'm actually not really hungry. I just want to eat more. Okay? So that's because the system's broken. Reach out to me. I will help you. I've helped many, many people with that same problem. I had that problem too. I wanted to eat more, but in all reality, when I was eating the right things, I was actually satisfied, but in my brain, I still wanted to eat more. Okay? There's other things that we need to fix, and it's much more complex than this little 2 things here. Okay? So number 1, don't eat processed food. Number 2, make sure you're eating protein. Okay, got a whole downloadable PDF on my website too about how much protein and when and all that other kind of good stuff too. All right, bonus time. Number 3, water. People are drinking all sorts of stuff. Sodas, energy drinks, coffee, alcohol, all that sort of thing. Reduce all of that. Okay, ideally eliminate all of that. And switch over to really good, high quality, clean, spring water, filtered water. Get more water into the system. Water is the most abundant element in the human body. We need to have a fresh supply of water into our body. It allows us to get toxins out of our water, and it allows all the functions of our body to function better. Everything that your body does requires water. Okay? So do your best to start shifting over to more water and less of all the other things that you're drinking, because you're going to feel a dramatic improvement. It doesn't matter what it is. I've had clients that stop drinking alcohol, stop drinking coffee, stop drinking sodas, stop drinking all the other stuff. Doesn't matter what it is. Every time one of my clients stops drinking it, they're always like, oh, I feel so much better. I've got so much more energy. I sleep so much better. I this, I that. Everything's better. Okay? Because water is what we're supposed to be consuming. We are the only animal on the planet that seeks out something other than water. Okay? All the other animals will walk miles and miles and miles and miles to get a fresh water source, or even a water source that's loaded with great minerals. Okay? And they will go out of their way to go get it. Okay? But humans end up keep pouring more and more of all these other things that we've created into their body instead. So water is the big 3rd bonus. Okay? 3 simple things. If you need help, reach out or download my free ebook, or look for my other videos on all of these same kind of topics too, because I'll put this into a playlist for you. All right? So stay away from the processed food. Everybody agrees. Eat more protein. Everybody agrees. And drink more water. Everybody agrees. There is no conflict. Just to let you know. Hope you'll have a happy and healthy day. Make sure to subscribe, like the channel, like this video, all those kind of good things so that other people can find this too. I don't want to create conflict. There is none. Just follow those 3 simple things, and I guarantee you will feel happier and healthier for the rest of your life. Have a happy and healthy day.